Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is "When You Return to the Store You Stole From Yesterday, But Police Are Waiting." That, I know you wasn't expecting that. Let's go, let's get it.
Come over here, ma'am.
Let go! Let go of me! I don't have anything!
Well, you'd always just carry a bag.
Here, I see stuff in your bra.
I got a Coke.
On July 16th, 2023, officers were dispatched to a store following reports of a woman attempting to steal items. Store staff informed police that the woman had been caught on video footage just a few days earlier engaging in the same act.
Is she still inside?
So I have her on video already stealing. Nope, this was a couple days ago, and I figured she'd be back again. So, and here she is back again doing the same exact thing that she did on video. So she's just waiting for her opportunity to walk out the doors. That's what she's wearing.
Okay.
She's got sunglasses on, and she's got a this yellow reusable bag is full of meat.
Okay.
So that's what she does. She fills it up and then she just walks out. So she fills up the bag with all that meat and the crab legs and stuff, and then she just walks out.
Does she pay for anything at all?
No. Okay, so he said you guys are just going to cover both entrances, and once she walks out, you'll just stop her.
Okay.
So.
And then once she leaves, are you able to tell me if she did steal this time?
Yeah, for sure.
Sounds good.
Yep.
She didn't?
No.
669. Ma'am? Come over here.
What?
Come over here. Ma'am. She's running. Okay, hold on.
Stop!
Ma'am!
Let go!
You're late. Ma'am!
Let go of me!
Stop!
Let go of me!
Ma'am!
Let go! Let go of me!
69. She's riding.
Let go!
Ma'am, just stop!
Let go of me!
No! You're being placed under arrest.
No, I'm not!
Stop!
Let go of me! Let go of me!
Ma'am!
No!
Stop!
Let go of me! Please let go!
Stop!
Let go of me! Please let go of me!
Stop resisting, ma'am.
I don't have anything! I don't have anything! I don't have anything!
Okay, what was in the bag you just threw in the car?
Ow! I don't have anything.
Mirror's right to you, okay, ma'am? You have the right to me inside.
I have nothing.
Just listen to me, okay? You have the right.
Please.
Ma'am, listen.
I don't
You
have
the right to me inside.
anything.
Anything you say can be used in court. You have the right to an attorney. To get a foreign attorney, you want to be appointed for you, please to custody you. If you decide to answer questions now without a present, you can still stop answering questions at any time to talk to your lawyer, okay?
I don't have anything.
Well, you'd always just carry a bag.
Here, I see stuff in your bra.
I got a Coke. I don't have.
What's my mother said? We're okay.
Please.
Quit moving around.
I don't have anything. I don't have
She put the bag in the car.
That's his car.
Okay, why'd you throw that in there? Stop pulling or we're gonna go to the ground.
Okay, I'm not pulling.
You are. Okay, I see stuff in your bra. I need to get it out.
Take it out.
Okay. Just a Coke, you said?
Yeah, it's a Coke.
Okay. Do you have anything else on you?
No.
Is it in your bra?
Yeah.
Are you able to grab it out for me?
I got my hands tied.
Might be able to grab it.
Yeah.
Just go ahead.
Yeah, property in there.
Yeah. Right. What about the other side?
Same thing.
Same thing? Is there a reason you didn't pay for them?
I don't have any money.
Can you grab that?
And I'm thirsty. Can I at least?
Yeah, I do. It won't stay.
Will you tell that gentleman to go to?
3044. King Boy Queen 3044.
All right, nothing else in here?
No.
Okay.
His name is Scott. Will you tell him to go to where I came from?
Where'd you come from?
A friend of mine, he knows where I'm
I'm back to Horn Chevy 2-door with Scott.
All kinds of music. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Last time it was crab legs.
She was dragging me. Did you see this?
You want to ride it? I don't know.
The ticket?
Yeah. I'm just going
Was
to park that.
that's fine.
Well, yeah, you don't have a license, so.
Yo. Last time she stole crab legs, man, she trying to eat good, boy. Now, the thing is that I get it. Times are tough, man. But 9 times out of 10, if you get away with something once and you keep doing it, eventually it's going to catch up to you. She got away with it the other day. Hey, look, sometimes, you know, they looking out. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you do whatever. Ooh, you got away with it. Cool. You good. But when you keep doing it and you keep going back to the same spot, they're gonna have a plan for you, you know? And this is just one of those things where it's like, why? Why did you steal these things? Are you already said that you don't have any money. So we get that. But are you trying to get some money? Are you putting any job applications? Are you going down to public services or whatever, try to get some food stamps or whatever? What's the situation? What's really going on here? Because this is not the way. Unless you want to go to jail. You know what I'm saying? Hey, if you don't mind it, going to jail, times are tough out here. There's people that go to jail all the time during the right seasons. Like, let's say they homeless or something. They'll do a petty crime or whatever to go to jail to do 6 months to a year. Because where else are they going to stay for the summer? Or, you know, a lot of times, you know, I know, you know, so you guys know that I was a correctional officer. So that there's people that do certain crimes, and this is kind of going off a little bit of a tangent, but what happens is that the state, whatever medications and stuff you're on when you're in the street, you know, by a doctor and stuff like that, the state has to continue. So you got a lot of people that start, you know, the transformer thing, you know, guys that want to be, you know what I mean? Guys that want to be transformers and stuff like that. So they'll start that process on the street, do a petty crime because they can't afford to keep paying for the medicine or whatever the case may be, and they do a petty crime to go to jail and go to prison, and the state has to pick that up. You know what I mean? At least that's how it goes here in New York. But so I could see, you know, times are tough. She's stealing, whatever. But what's the root problem of this? And are you trying to help yourself get out of this rut? Because if you just stole the other day, dang, you out of the crab legs already? Come on now. And then you go to the same store at that? How stupid must you be?
Huh? No, it's just not. All right, so anyways, how many times did you bring her to the stores, though? When's the last time you brought her to Kroger? Where else were you at today with her? Okay, what other store did you take her to today? Okay, so she stole, where's the stuff from Rural King? All right, let's get the stuff from Rural King real quick.
That's fine. Where's it at?
Go ahead and get the stuff up from Rural King real quick. Here, just get out. I don't want you reaching around like that.
Oh, okay, sorry.
What else did she take from Roking?
That's right there.
The clothing and stuff?
You want to get it? You can go get it.
Yeah.
Let me get this.
How do you?
Yeah, just put the seat
Put
up.
the seat forward. All right, you mind stepping back for me?
Yep. There you go.
Thank you.
All right, where else did you take her?
That's it.
You know what she does. Don't be taking her to stores just to steal. You know she steals all the time.
Oh, no.
You knew right there.
Oh, I didn't see it though. Real honest.
Well, I know you didn't see it, but you know that she ain't paying for that. And then you bring her here, and you know what she's gonna do. How much is she gonna give you? What are you getting out of it?
All right, nothing.
What are you getting out of it?
Nothing.
You're getting something. Honestly. Be honest.
Sometimes you get a little bit of gas money, you know.
Don't be helping her out like that. That's how you get in trouble.
Okay, I promise I won't.
Is there anything else stolen in the vehicle?
I think that should be it.
I think, or you know?
I know it's not.
You know it's not?
What's in the trunk?
What else?
Is that shop vac or what? Let me
That's a
see.
shop.
Oh,
That's a wet. That's a wet.
Is that stolen too?
No.
Oh, there's more.
I don't know what that. I might be some old shorts. I don't know.
It looks pretty old.
Yeah.
What about the trunk?
Okay.
Can you?
Excuse me.
Are you able to pop it from the front?
No. I gotta come back here because we don't have
I see that.
just cans and just cans and a little bit of metal.
You can't be taking her to different stores. That's called complicity.
Okay.
And you're driving. Don't be driving.
You know, it's crazy how different places handle different situations, because we seen in the video where the child's mother or whatever, the mom, she was out drinking and she stole from Walmart and whatever. The guy that was supposedly with her was detained and searched, and they looked up his ID and everything, but they don't do this to this guy. You notice that, like, he's with that lady. Why isn't he getting that same treatment? I feel like a lot things should be like just across the board. You know what I mean? And I don't want to get into the race thing. We don't, you know, hey, it is what it is. You know how I am. Hey, we got shit bags in every race. But the thing is that in that other situation where the girl left her kids at home to go get drunk and steal at Walmart, that lady was white. The guy that was with her was black. He got put in handcuffs. He got his ID ran and everything like that. And he didn't even get into the confrontation or steal or any of that stuff. He was just with her. He didn't even get involved with their confrontation. So, but this guy, it's the same type of thing. He's with her. He's the driver. They went and hit a lick at another spot, right? The girl is white. The guy is white. They just give him a talking to. Like, you know, why are we not running his name? Why are we not detaining him? What's going on? Or, I mean, putting him in handcuffs, you know, things like that. There's other stolen items in the vehicle. Why are we not doing a vehicle search?
From here. Find a ride.
I do.
If you drive away, we're going to tow your car.
How's license suspended?
It's suspended. I don't know. Talk to the BMV.
No, I don't understand.
All right, talk to the BMV.
Yeah.
Anyways, we'll get a hold of you and let you know what we're going to do, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Now, this is the part where you tell me, Shy, shut the heck up. You don't know what you're talking about. They ran his ID and his license is suspended. It's all right. Tell me in the comment section. See, Shy, you talking too goddamn much. They still ain't put him in handcuffs and none of that stuff, but at least they ran his ID. I can live with that. We playing fair.
You're welcome. I can take care of you with that stuff.
Or go right up in here. Just one face the wall. Yep, stay just like that. Then once this handcuff's free, just place it on the wall in front of you. Then you can take a seat here.
We got your belongings here in this bag. This is your paperwork right here. And here's a copy of your charges, okay? I'm gonna put these papers in your bag so they all go with you at the jail, okay? Alrighty then, so I'm gonna undo this cuff. I want you to stand up and face the wall for me. Got your bag with all your stuff?
Okay.
Did you leave anything else there?
Mm-mm.
No? Alright. You had a screwdriver and a fork in this bag, right?
I was eating before I came.
Oh. What's a screwdriver for?
I don't know. I just put it in there.
Okay. I was just curious.
Yeah.
Didn't know if you worked in construction or something like that.
Mm-mm.
There you go. One sec. Gotta take a look around. Don't want anything in there that's not yours, right?
Nope.
Alright, so right there. I'm gonna reach across, put the seatbelt on you, alright?
Mm-hmm.
Sir, can you sit back? I gotta go around you. This is gonna go in the front seat, alright? Right here, you see it? Just wanna make sure.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, Kay. How's it going?
Here's our paperwork.
Okay.
And here's your stuff.
Oh, she a regular,
Sign
huh?
on the saddle? Do you need any medical attention? Okay. Come on in, stand underneath the fire exit for me. Get your cuffs up.
Yep, sounds good.
The woman was charged with criminal trespass, resisting arrest, theft, and obstructing official business.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.